This is the Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can check your mobile data usage on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter the SIM cards and mobile networks category. My bad. Enter the connection and sharing category. Next, go for the dedicated data usage section over here. And in here, you'll be able to see how much data has been used in general at the very top, as well as how much cellular data each of the apps you have installed has used. In order to switch the SIM card that the data usage is displayed for over here, just change the mobile data preference in SIM cards and mobile networks category over here. So let me switch it to the SIM card number 2, and once I'll get back to the data usage page, I'll see that now it is showing the information for the second SIM card I have inserted. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.